Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Synergy Business Advisors Noida, your trusted business mitra which deals exclusively with recent business developments. You bought a property from a bank auction and suddenly someone shows up with a court order claiming rights over it. Wait, wasn't it supposed to be 100% safe? This is not a rare mistake, it is a costly misunderstanding. And the Supreme Court cleared this exact confusion in R. Savithri Naidu versus Corporation of India Ltd, a case every property buyer and investors must understand. Let us simplify the story. A borrower defaults on a bank loan. The bank uses SARFAESI, takes possession and auctions the property. A buyer purchases it, believing it. Now this property is clean, no past issues. Sounds reasonable, right? That is what most people think. But here is the twist. Another creditor had already won an arbitral award against the same borrower. That means legally they had the right to recover money. So what do? They try to enforce that award and this same property becomes their target. Now the conflict begins. The buyer says, I bought from the bank, no one can touch it. The award holder says, my legal right still exists, so who wins? Here is what Supreme Court said, and this is the game changer. Buying under SARFAESI does not make the property untouchable. The court made it very clear, SARFAESI is only a recovery process, not a clean slate certificate. An arbitral award is like a court decree and it still holds value. Both rights can exist together and courts will decide based on priority. So what was the final outcome? The court did not give blanket protection to the auction buyer. It allowed the award holder to continue execution subject to legal priority. It said, don't assume, verify who has stronger rights. Now, here is why this matters to you. If you are buying an auction property and you only check bank papers, you are missing half the picture. Now, here is why this matters to you. If you are buying an auction property and you only check bank papers, you are missing half the picture. There could be arbitration cases, court decrees, or hidden claims waiting to surface. So what should you do before buying? Check for pending litigation, look for arbitral awards, understand if bank actually had first charge, get a legal due diligence done. If you final takeaway, bank auction gives you ownership but not immunity. If you are planning to invest in distressed properties or already facing a legal issue, don't rely on assumptions. One proper legal check today can save years of litigation tomorrow. This is C&IP Praveen Agrawal thanking you for watching. I hope this presentation will be helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel for such more informative videos. Thank you.